Hello friends, you are welcome in second year. I am going to deal with the syllabus of third semester. Name of paper is Communicative English. First chapter is voice. As you know, there are two kinds of voice. One is active voice and another is passive voice. But we have to change from active voice to passive voice. You should know the basic part of the test. As doctor used to treat the patient as per the symptoms of a patient, the same way we are going to transfer from active voice to passive voice. In our competitive exams, they used to ask some rare questions on passive voice, so we will deal with that in this semester. The second part is types of clauses. There are two kinds of clauses. One is main clause and another is subordinate clause. As you know, main clause is called independent clause and subordinate clause is called dependent clause, because for main clause there is a complete meaning, complete sense, but in subordinate clause there is an incomplete meaning. Subordinate clause has to depend upon a main clause, so it is called dependent clause. Next, third topic is types of sentences. As per the meaning, there are four kinds. One is assertive sentence, then exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence and interrogative sentence. But in this semester we are going to discuss about, as per the clause structure, there are three kinds of sentences. One is simple sentence, another is compound sentence, and the third is complex sentence. In simple sentence there is only one main clause. In compound sentence there are two main clauses which are connected with coordinating conjunctions. In complex sentence there is one main clause and one subordinate clause which is connected with subordinating conjunction. And according to the modern English grammar, there is a fourth kind which is known as compound complex sentence, that we are going to discuss in this semester. Next, fourth chapter is punctuation marks. As you know, punctuation marks are the ornaments of language. We can predict the meaning, we can determine the meaning of the sentence just because of this punctuation marks. There are many punctuation marks we use in our writing, like means question mark, interrogation mark, exclamation mark, capital letter, full stop, dash, etc. Okay, this part we are going to discuss in this semester. Next is direct and indirect speech. Actual pronunciation is direct and indirect speech, but we used to call it direct and indirect speech. Here we are going to discuss that means how to change from direct speech to indirect speech. There are some changes as per the kinds of sentences that we are going to discuss in this semester. Again, here we'll focus on a rare part, because for competitive exam they used to ask rare questions on that. They will not ask questions based on HSC or SSC standard simple level questions. They will ask complicated level questions. Next part is proverbs, idioms and phrases. It is vocabulary part. In our previous semester we had seen one word substitution, word formation, synonyms, antonyms, but in this semester we are going to deal with proverbs, idioms and phrases. Next part is comprehension. In our previous semester we had studied how to find out answers from the passage. We should not follow the technique of HSC or SSC standard. There are different techniques, and which is useful for CSAT. There are passages from Marathi as well as from English they used to ask in CSAT, and for that we are going to practice passages in comprehension. Next is translation. It is different from previous semester, because in our previous semester we used to translate from English to Marathi. But in this semester, vice versa, we have to practice. We should translate from Marathi to English. That we'll practice. Next, types of essay. Essay writing is one of the writing skills, and we should impress our examiner by this writing. In mains, they used to ask essay on various topics, okay, and we'll practice these essays. Next, steps of essay writing. There are many steps to write effective and impressive essay that I will tell you in this semester, and we'll practice such kind of essays to impress the examiners, because we have to deal with such kind of essays in our mains exams. This is about syllabus.